Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this tutorial we will compare Claude AI and ChatGPT so you can decide which tool best fits your needs. First, let's talk about interface and usability. Claude AI has a clean, minimalist chat layout, often showing longer responses in a neat format. ChatGPT, on the other hand, offers more structured settings and customization options, especially in the paid versions. Next is memory and context. Claude AI emphasizes understanding longer inputs, making it great for analyzing lengthy documents or conversations. Meanwhile, ChatGPT also handles long context well, but depending on your plan, you may need to manage the conversation's length. When it comes to creative tasks, both are excellent. Claude tends to give more neutral, human-like phrasing, while ChatGPT offers highly adaptable tone and style control. For integrations, ChatGPT has strong official plugin and browsing options in the Pro plan. Claude AI is catching up with features like artifacts and improved tools for coding and document handling. Finally, pricing and access. ChatGPT offers free, Plus and Team plans with tiered features, while Claude AI has free, Pro and Team options with differences mainly in usage limit and speed. So if you need detailed, natural responses for long documents, Claude AI might be your pick. If you want a broader range of integrated tools, ChatGPT could be better. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.